Yo, what's up, guys? It's me, the Giant. It's been a long time. I haven't showed up, but I'm here, YouTube. I'm here, everyone. Back on track with my trading. Listen, I want to talk about the ORB, 5-minute ORB strategy. So let's start from the beginning. First of all, we watch for the daily candle. Every day has a daily candle, right? If it's bullish, it's a bullish day. If it's bearish, it's a bearish day. Simple. Don't need to think about it too much. Don't overthinking. But if it's going up or down? It's a bearish day. It's a bearish day. It's a bullish day. It's a bullish day. Anyways, short-term set, watch the daily candle, the previous daily candle. Okay, the previous daily candle, watch it, the high and the low of the previous day candle. So you mark that level of the high of the daily candle, you mark the level of the low of the daily candle. Let me see if I can turn this. I can turn this. Oh, can't turn the screen. Anyways, I can show you right now. You mark the previous daily candle. That's right here. The previous daily candle. This is the previous daily candle, high and low, right? You can see that. Okay. Now, once you do this, you need to know uh, where to start, right? So you go to the 1 hour, you go to the 1 hour, go to the 1 hour and wait and see. It's pretty simple. You go to the 1 hour, you see the previous 1 hour candle was already bearish, so you can see that previous candle of the 1 hour was already bearish. Oh, sorry, this is already bearish, and it was 3 o'clock, right? Before New York session. Okay, right? Then if you see that, and also important, the previous low. This is the previous low that closed, so price went down, pushed all down, and retested that area of the low, the previous low, right? Okay, makes sense? If you don't know, let me know. I can explain. But okay, if you see that, it's for sure going down, for sure, because after the retest, as you saw, it's going down for sure. And that's the 1 hour. Then if we talk about the strategy, you just go to the 5 minute. Pretty simple, guys. No need to stress about it. Once the New York session is open at 9:30, you mark the candle of 9:30. Where the heck is it? Okay, 5 minute. Wait a minute. Yeah. Okay. This is the. I will show you. No rush. I will show you. I'll show you all how simple this is. Once you know that the daily candle is bearish, the 1 hour is bearish, then you go to the 5 minute you will actually see, look at this, you will actually see once it closed, sellers pushed down, but you see that wick, that small wick, I don't know if you see it. Oh, sorry, this is the wick and this is the candle, right? Bearish candle. Sellers tries to push, but buyers came in, and then it closed right there, and pushed it up a little bit, and there it closed. So means that this green wick were the buyers and closed there, and then sellers pushed it down and broke the range of the 5 minute opening range. So means after a couple of minutes, let's say 9:40, it broke the range. So what do you think it's gonna do? So we wait for a retest, right? We once it broke that range, we wait for a retest, right? You see that gap over here. Wait, this is the gap of the 5 minute. This is the gap. You wait for it. Yes, you wait for it for the retest. I don't know if you see it. You wait for the retest, and then once it's gonna open from the top, the sellers pushed it all down, right? But one thing to notice is, if you want to know the perfect entry of it, then you have to go to the 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart. Yes, the 1 minute chart. Look at it. Look exactly what happened here at the 1 minute chart. This is the, market was open at this candle, and it was already bearish, but most importantly to know, it was in the middle of the range. So what's the most important thing is, you need confirmation, you need some sort of a bearish bear flag, just like this, a bearish bear flag. This is your bearish bear flag. It pulled up a bit and goes down and breaks the 5 minute opening range. Once it breaks, you can for sure go for a short for 10 points, then wait for confirmation. Once it touches the gap, it goes down all the way down for more points. So short-term said, once you have marked up the 5 minute highly candle and the low candle of the 5 minute candle, you wait for a breakout of of the range, and then wait for a retest. Like I said, you have to wait for the retest, and then you go short, and the same thing when you go long. So don't complicate this. It's easy and most effective, and also it saves you a lot of money once you put some money in crypto, I don't know, in NQ, whatever, or you're trying to pass an eval, or with a prop firm. But the most important thing is it's yeah think of it before you put a trade. So don't rush. Wait for confirmation for the retest. Once it breaks above the 5-minute range and it's gonna retest, then you're gonna go for a long. And same thing for the short. Wait until it breaks the 5-minute range and then wait for a retest, and then once it creates a gap, a fair value gap, bearish fair value gap, then you enter, and that's it. Catch your 10-20 points, 1 to 2 ratio, whatever it is. But it's so simple. So you need to know if it's a bearish day or a bullish day. Go to the daily candle. You see it's a bearish day. Okay, I have to go to the 1 hour. Is it a bearish 1 hour candle? Okay, let's go for it. Go to the 5-minute. Once it breaks the 5-minute opening range, then you're free to go. Wait until the candle is closed, because most of us, we don't wait for the candle closes. So we start to rush and make some losses because the stop loss is gonna eat you up if your stop loss is too long. So you need to make sure for confirmation after the retest, not before. Wait till the candle is closed in every trade. Don't rush. Wait until you have an engulfing candle or a morning star, whatever you want to call it. Just wait for it until it closes, and then you enter for a trade at the retest, not before. Of course, you need to know, because every candle, bullish or bearish, has buyers and sellers. In every candle, bearish or bullish, every candle has buyers and sellers that are pushing. If it's bearish, then aggressive sellers are going to push lower. Same thing with the buyers. Buyers are more aggressive, buyers are going up, So don't complicate these things. It's pretty easy. So you mark up again. I will let you see. You mark up. Wait, I highlight this in yellow so you know. Yellow, that big badass yellow range. Okay, this is the 5-minute candle. If you see, 5-minute candle, and you mark up the low and the high. Wait until the next candle closes below. If you see, the next candle didn't close below, so it pushed higher. The buyers pushed higher, and then all of a sudden came down and closed exactly right here. So you just need to wait for the next candle, next the 5-minute candle, and breaks it, and all of a sudden goes aggressively down till the previous low, previous overnight low. Yes, and then put the buyers pushed higher. But the thing is, with this strategy, you need to mark up the 5-minute candle of 9:30. That's the most important thing. If you see, yeah, I'm in Europe and it's 15:30, so it means this candle is 15:30, but you may also want to see it as 9:30. Once it closes, don't rush. If it's gonna go up, wait until you get the rejection and then you push lower. Wait for confirmation. The confirmation, where do you see that? In the 1 minute. The 1 minute. Look at this. The 1 minute, like I said, push down. That's the bear flag. Bear flag. Yes, bear flag. Good. Bear flag, push down, and you catch 10 points and goes lower, but all of a sudden goes back, like I said, for the gap, filling the gap, and then be lower, goes lower, right? So you enter it right here, and then yeah. So it's not difficult. Wait patiently, okay? Okay, guys. If you don't understand how the 5 minute opening range is, the strategy, all I say is once it breaks the 5 minute candle up or down, wait for a retest on the 1 minute, right? But first of all, you need to know what daily candle it is, bullish or bearish. Then the 1 hour, bullish or bearish. Okay, once you know that, go to 5 minute, mark up the 9:30 market open. Once it closes the first candle of market open, 9:30, 9:45, wait until it closes, and then from there, as I told you, is the market going up, is it gonna break the range, then you wait for a retest. Simple as that. Don't complicate it. Okay, see you next time. Yes, one more time, watch it closely. This is the 5 minute candle in the 1 minute chart. You wait for a pullback and retest whatever it is. Wait for a pullback. Once it breaks, wait for a retest and then go. Then start to go lower. For a short 10 points, you don't need much. 10 or 20 points, okay? And then wait for the next opportunity that tests the area of resistance at that gap that has been filled and then goes down again. Alright? Easy peasy, man. Easy peasy. Much love, everybody. See you next time. YouTube. Ciao, everyone.